Sarah Geronimo is a popular Filipino singer, actress, television personality, and model. She was born on July 25, 1988 in Santa Cruz, Manila, Philippines. Sarah began her career in show business at the age of 14 when she won the grand prize in the singing competition Star for a Night in 2003. Her victory in the competition launched her music career, and she released her debut album, Popstar A Dream Come True, the following year. She has since released numerous albums, many of which had gone platinum in the Philippines. Aside from her music career, Sarah has also made a name for herself in the entertainment industry as an actress. She has appeared in several films and television series, including A Very Special Love, It Takes a Man and a Woman, Miss Granny, and The Voice Kids. In addition to her music and acting career, Sarah has also been a television host and a judge on several talent shows in the Philippines, such as The Voice of the Philippines, The Voice Teens, and The Voice Kids. Sarah has won numerous awards throughout her career, including multiple Awit Awards, Mixed Music Awards, and Famous Awards. She is also a recipient of the Presidential Citation Award for her contributions to the Filipino music industry. Sarah is known for her powerful and versatile voice, as well as her dedication and hard work in her craft. She has become one of the most popular and influential entertainers in the Philippines, and her music and performances have won over fans not only in the Philippines but also across Asia and around the world.